Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily recover all your deleted contacts on your iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end if you want to recover the deleted contacts in your iPhone. So first of all, if I open the phone app and I randomly go to contacts and I select a contact, tap on edit on the top right, and I simply delete a contact by tapping on delete contact. Now I want to recover this contact back on my iPhone. All I'll have to do is to tap on settings of my iPhone, then tap on your name on the top. Once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on iCloud and then tap on show all. Now once you're on this page, you'll be able to see that contact is right now turned on and it is synced with my iCloud. All you'll have to do is to toggle this off, and it will show you an option keep on my iPhone or delete from my iPhone. You'll have to tap on keep on my iPhone, and then you'll have to turn it back on, and it will say you to merge the contacts that were previously loaded or previously uploaded to your iCloud with the now the new contacts. And all you'll have to do is to tap on merge, and basically it will merge your previous and new contacts. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.